Why does a population of rabbits explode in a new field, only to suddenly crash? It's a classic story of boom and bust, and the secret lies in population ecology, the science of life's delicate balance. Imagine bacteria in a petri dish with unlimited food. Their growth would be explosive, an upward swooping J-shaped curve of pure potential. It's a fantasy of infinite expansion. But the real world has limits. This is where logistic growth comes in. As a population expands, it eventually nears its carrying capacity, the absolute maximum number of individuals an environment can sustain. The growth curve slows, leveling off into a stable S shape as it bumps against this natural ceiling. What are these limits? They are nature's brakes. Some are density dependent. The more crowded a place gets, the fiercer the competition for food and shelter, and the faster disease can spread. These brakes get stronger as the population grows. Others are density independent, events that don't care about numbers. A forest fire, a sudden flood, or a brutal freeze. They are external shocks that can devastate a population, no matter its size. And what about the most unique population of all? Us. For centuries, human growth was slow. Then, technology, medicine, and agriculture allowed us to temporarily raise Earth's carrying capacity. Our population curve shot upwards into a staggering J-shape. But the planet is still a finite system. The same rules of ecology apply. Understanding this balance isn't just for ecologists anymore. It's the science of human survival.